Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Shopify for tax filing access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Shopify for tax filing access, begin by visiting the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section from the left-hand side menu. In the Apps section, locate and click on Manage Private Apps. If you don't see this option, look for Develop Apps in the settings. Enable private app development if it's not already activated. Next, click on Create a new private app. Provide a clear name for your app, such as Tax Filing Access. Fill in the necessary contact email for the app owner. Scroll down to the Admin API section. Set permissions for the app according to your tax filing needs. For tax calculations, ensure you have access to relevant resources. After setting permissions, save the app details. You will now receive an API key and a password. Store this API key and password securely for future access. Now, open your preferred tax filing software. Look for the option to integrate or connect with Shopify. Input the API key and password when prompted. Follow any additional prompts to complete the integration process. Once integrated, verify the connection to ensure everything works smoothly. Your Shopify account is now authenticated for tax filing access. You can proceed with your tax filing tasks using this setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.